Chapter 4, Measures of Central Tendency. There are three common measures of central tendency. There is the mean, there is the median, and there is the mode. We're going to start with the mode. The mode is the score that occurs most frequently in the distribution. A distribution can have one mode, two modes, which are bimodal, more than two modes, which is multimodal, or no mode, which is amodal. The mode can be used with nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio scales. In this picture, the green line right here is the most popular, so that would be the number that repeats the most or occurs the most frequently in this distribution. The median is the middle point of a distribution of scores that are ordered. 50% are above and 50% are below. In this case, the 3 penguins weigh as much as the 1 penguin, but it's balanced on my seesaw. Do you see how it's even? Because 50% of that weight is above and 50% of that weight is below. T-Swift, why you gotta be so mean? The mean is calculated by dividing the sum of the scores by the number of the scores. The symbol for the sample mean is x, or x bar, and the estimate of a population mean is mu. The mean is affected by every score in the distribution. In contrast, changes in the distribution may or may not change the median or mode. The mean can be used with interval or ratio scales. The mean is not an appropriate measure of central tendency when the interval or ratio scale distributions have extreme scores or outliers. Remember the example I gave you of when Bill Gates walks into a bar. In that case, the median should be used because most of us are not on the same financial level as Bill Gates, so he would be an outlier. The mode and median are most often used for descriptive statistics, where the mean can be used for descriptive and inferential statistics. The mean can also be used to compute other statistical tests, such as the t-test. I pity the fool who don't use the t-test.